And I told you in the last lecture, we will learn in a microprocess addressing memory. So today I will teach you that. So listen carefully and focus on my copy and write down and all that is really useful for you. Okay. So let's get started. A microprocess addressable memory, a microprocess with a 16-bit address bus. 16-bit address bus is a it's a standard of address bus we have is used in a linear memory section, and the configuration addressable bus linear lines are directly used as a chip sector of a memory chip with for memory chip the maximum addressable memory. We have maximum addressable memory is that this is our question, and how we can install in this question. And we have a 64 is our maximum addressable memory. Okay, it's our question, so we will start it definitely more hurry. Okay, content addressable memory. Content addressable memory is a special type of computer memory used in contain very high speed. It's a very high speed feature structure memory, high speed searching memory application. It is also known as associative memory, and associative storage and components input search data against the table of storage data and return the address of match. Random access memory, we know what is that. Okay, again, you don't write down your notebook and like that. I'm just wrote in this randomly. Okay, and associative memory is also called the contact addressable memory. Okay, this type of memory is access simulatory and in a parallel on the base of data control. You see what is that? It's a data content rather than the specific address or location. It's a versus, it's a storage. It's a address or location. It's an address or location already given. When the word is written, when a word is written, is associative memory on addressing is given. Okay, when a word is written in, associative memory on address is given. It's already given. Okay, the memory is capable of finding an empty and used location or store the word. Okay, the memory is capable to find the it's a capable to find the empty and use location. Okay, it's very capable, very intelligent to store the word. When the word is to be read from a associative memory, then the content of the word or the part of the word is specified. Okay, the memory location of the word that match is the specified content and mask than for reading. Okay, the memory location or word the memory location or the words that match the specified content. Its specified content is a finding the marks then for reading. Okay, when they are reading something, so they mark like it's already in my memory. Okay, like that. To take a revolution less time to find an item based on content rather than by an address. Okay, back black block diagram of associative memory. What's the block diagram of associative memory? Like we just taking searching word. It's a searching word like that. What we want to search, it's here. We can say is agreement register. It's an agreement register. What we want to search, so we just type down in here. Okay, and it is our key register. It is pass of agreement or only one part filter of the searching. What we want to search, only these point is searching. But so that like I don't know what's the topic. I'm just remember only microprocess. I'm remember only address. So these tips, it's a searching word. Like I'm wrote here is my name Vinasa. Vinasa. I'm searching, and key register is given us only filter us only many Vinasas, and what I want to find. So I'm click there, like I'm searching Vinasa Parasar. So I need Vinasa Parasar, but I'm forget Parasar name. And this key register finding in all Vinasas address and all Vinasas information they give us, and after that filtering to search. It's a filtering like how many Vinasa in the world, lot of. What I want to, I remember only two and three address, only three and two words, and after that key register search for us. It is the passive uh, argument register. Only one part filter this searching, only one part searching. What you want to search, only this part is searching. Okay, m word of and beat each m word in m word of beat and matching location like that, and association memories in here. Okay, m word is the m word of and beat each. Okay, this is like, you just remember like that. Okay, for example, if we have a 0 1 1 0 1 and that, okay, you just see carefully this example. Okay, and you focusing what I want to tell you, what I want to express this. We need like these, we can, it's a binary form, we can say it's Vinasa and it's a Parasar. Okay, we just given a case similar like that, similar address like Vinasa, and this is a Vinasa Parasar, it's a Vinasa. Okay, this key is the finding in a all address, all searching material related to my address. Okay, it's searching that, it's searching that. Okay, it doesn't matter it's searching, it's matching or not, parasar matching or not, but Vinasa is searched, it's a match for my related my address. Okay, again I'm gonna tell you, like this name is Vinasa, it's a parasar. This key searching is what? This key searching is not Parasar. It's searching because I'm sending Vinasa. I'm searching Vinasa. So it's searching for me Vinasa. It doesn't matter is Vinasa, Vinasa, Malik, Vinasa, anything. Anything is there. It's my duty. What I want to find, it's matching in my address, in this address. What I'm a search. Okay, that's the video. And please, if you understand my video, please like. Don't forget subscribe and share my videos, and please continue with me because I will teach you microprocessor speed in a next lecture.